We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. Let us help you with our excellent customer service as well as our years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.